You move to the Applications page where you will choose your course and colleges. Click Apply to a course, and a drop-down will open with the full list of courses available from advanced courses like cybersecurity, Buddhist studies, and artificial intelligence, to bachelor degrees in arts, commerce, economics, English, French, geography, and many more. Pick the course you want and click Confirm and Create. You can also apply to more than one course by clicking the plus button that says Apply to New Course. If you are applying for a postgraduate master's program, the system will take you to a Degree tab where you must fill in your graduation university, degree, qualifying country, passing year, result pattern, result status, percentage, marks obtained, and total marks. Click Save once you are done. Then return to the Select Preferences page, click Search Program, and you will see all available colleges and courses that match your selection. Click Add next to each college you want. The order of this list matters. The first college on the list is your first choice. The second is your second choice, and so on. You can reorder your choices using the up and down arrow keys. When you are satisfied, click Submit Preferences. Your saved preferences can be exported as a CSV file for your records. To change any preference later, you can use the Application tab on your dashboard even after paying the eligibility fee. Once your preferences are saved, click Pay to proceed to the eligibility fee payment. The portal will show you a final review of all your personal and preference details. You can also click Download Application Form to keep a copy for yourself. Verify everything carefully and click Proceed to Payment. The eligibility fee is 1,700 rupees. Please note that this eligibility fee is completely non-refundable. Keep your internet connection stable. Do not refresh or close the browser during payment, and after a successful transaction, you will be redirected automatically. Once payment is done, go to the Downloads tab on your dashboard to download your payment receipt. Your application will now be sent to the Eligibility Department for verification, and the provisional eligibility confirmation typically takes 10 to 15 working days. You can track the progress of your application on the dashboard at any time. The status will read under Department Review, while the Eligibility Department checks your marks, your documents, and whether you meet the rules of the course you applied for. You will also receive notifications by dashboard alert, email, and SMS once the review is complete, so keep your email notifications on and check your inbox now and then, including the spam folder. Once the Eligibility Department approves your application, your status will change to Provisional Eligibility Granted